In this video, we are going to learn how we can edit conditional formatting. To edit conditional formatting, first select any cell from the current worksheet. Then click to Home tab over here. Then move our cursor to Style section area over here. In that, click to Conditional Formatting like this. In that, click to Manage Rules. This one. The moment we click to Manage Rule, Conditional Formatting Rule Manager dialog box will appear in front of us. In that, first click to this down arrow of Show Formatting Rule for, this one, and click to this worksheet, this one. The moment we click to this worksheet, whatever conditional formatting we have applied in this worksheet will come in front of us over here. Currently, we have only one. Now we can add new rule. We can edit rule from here, or we can delete rule from here. Currently, we want to edit rule, therefore we will click to edit rule like this. The moment we click to edit rule, edit formatting rule dialog box will appear in front of us. We can change cell value to specific text or anything else from the list from here. We can change greater than to less than or anything else from the list from here. We can change amount over here. We can change background color, font color and so on. For that, click to format, this one. The moment we click to format cell dialog box will appear in front of us. Here do changes and then click to OK. We will click to cancel like this, because here we are not changing anything. Here we are changing amount from 1000 to 900 over here like this. Then click to OK. Again click to OK. See, the moment we have changed amount from 1000 to 900, our highlighted cell also changed in B4 to F8 cell over here. So like this, we can edit conditional formatting. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.